You be nice. I know. So I threw my other females out of here because they need to come out and eat. These two think they're hatching plastic eggs. These two are still trying to get their bearings. That's Powder. It's kind of hard to tell Powder and Hagatha apart now. There's Dropkick in all her beautiful color. Hey, be nice to her. So I got grass and sprouts and all kinds of things. They're my little Spazzy. Here's Spaz. There you go. I have so much fun just coming out, giving these guys stuff and checking on them. Look at my babies! And them broody bitches can move when they need to. Woo-woo! It's okay. I'm gonna go check and see if we got any eggs. But this is these guys. This is Cosmo and his barn. You can see everybody slowly but surely getting acquainted. Seems like it takes about a week to 14 days for everything to settle back down. So, and I know I'm breaking all kinds of the thought process of don't mix chickens, don't do this, don't do that, but I figure if I'm shaking up all of the thing, we're good. Alright, let's go to the little coachins.